Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your worksheet and identifying dividend and divisor cells. Use the slash operator for simple division like equals A1/B1 in any cell. That returns a decimal quotient with full precision for most calculations and financial models. If you need only the integer portion, use quotient, for example quotient. A1, B1 returns the integer result without the remainder. Use explicit examples such as equals 100/4 returning 25 and quotient 100, 4, also returning 25 to confirm behavior. When you need both integer result and remainder, use quotient with MOD. For example quotient, 7, 2 returns 3 and MOD, 7, 2 returns 1 as the remainder. Combine them with concatenation for readable text like equals quotient, A1, B1, and remainder and MOD, A1, B1. For decimals, use trunc or int to drop fractional parts while controlling negative number behavior with int versus trunc. Always test negative dividends, because int rounds down, whereas trunc simply truncates towards 0. After calculating quotients, you often need formatting and copying tips to scale workbooks. Use round, round up, or round down to control decimals after division of values like 10,000 by 3. Lock divisor references with absolute addressing such as equals A1/ when copying formulas across many rows. Show proportions by dividing and formatting as percent. For example equals A1/B1 formatted as 25%. Validate results with sample numbers, and use error handling like IFER to manage divide by 0 situations gracefully.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.